This content is brought to you by Mazunda Academy.
Hello everyone. Next we will see data frame. So basically what is a data frame? A data frame is a table of two-dimensional array-like structure in which each column contains the values of one variable and each row contains one set of values of each column. The syntax is name of the data frame. Data.frame is the function which will create the data frame, and then you will add here vectors. Each column will be stored as a vectors and it will be passed as an argument here in data.frame. You will understand by seeing the example. For example, I have a situation here. ID, these are the ID of different students, these are the names, and these are the test 1 marks. I want to store them in this format. So what I will do, I will create a vector for ID with all these ID. I will create another vector name with all these names. I will create another vector test1 marks with all these marks. And finally these vectors I will pass as an argument here in data.frame, and that will create this structure for me. Let's show it. So this is for clearing output screen. Then ID is the vector created using all the IDs. Then name is another vector created by all the names. And then test1 marks is another vector created by all these marks. Now data.frame is the function where the vector ID, vector name, and vector test1 marks are passed as an argument, and finally stored this data frame in df. Df is the name of the data frame or the variable where you have stored the data frame, and finally we print the data frame. Let's see how it works. We can see here exactly as we are expecting, the same way it stored the data. So this is one of the activity question which is solved here. So you just go through and you try by yourself also and try to create similar type of questions and try to answer. This is one other question, activity 3. It is based on the list. Then some practice questions are there. These questions are based on vector, matrix, list, data frame.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest update.